I just wanted to make a quick video on my Seminole pumpkin that I have growing. I believe that it is a true Seminole pumpkin for the most part, but I do have to wonder if it hadn't possibly been crossed with a butternut squash, possibly just because of the shapes of the fruit aren't anything like what I've seen from people that are posting about their Seminole pumpkins. Mine are all oblong shaped and slightly like a butternut squash, so it's really interesting to me. I bought the seeds last year from 2 years ago, and I planted them last year and only got one pumpkin, and then all of these are from that one pumpkin. And I don't know, maybe it crossed with a butternut squash. I don't know. We'll see when the pumpkins that I have fully ripen, and we'll see what the inside of the flesh looks like and taste test, and we'll see. I don't know, but it's just very interesting. Thought I'd share.